Alright.
Alright.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright.
Alright.
Okay. Alright. Okay.
Good morning, guys. So, welcome to the first video that I've ever had the pleasure of putting on YouTube. And I want to introduce you and welcome you to my BMW Z4. Now, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ed. And there is a specific reason, I guess, people start making videos on YouTube or sort of pushing content out there. And I think where I want to start really is why I am making videos. So I've had this BMW Z4 for about 6 months now. I bought it at the end, towards the end of last year, and I followed a lot of car videos on YouTube and online and looked at different cars I could buy, and I felt that owning a Z4 is a whole different experience than just looking at them. And I want to make this channel about, obviously about cars. I want to inform you about what it's like to live with a Z4, especially living with a Z4 from a city perspective. So I live in London, and I own a two-seater sports car, and I live with my girlfriend as well. So I want to talk about having a car when you've got another half. Many of you probably will be thinking about whether I should buy a Z4 because of the practicality and things. Well, if you stay tuned on this channel, you'll realise that yeah, you can live with it and you can live a pretty happy life. I also want to make this a channel just for discussion. So I think speaking in a car is a wonderful forum, and I'm going to invite a number of people to drive with me. And so basically, it's going to be like a little vlog. Now, you're probably wondering where I'm going today. So you've joined me on the A40, and I live in Fulham, so I've just come out west. So I'm meeting up with my brother. Now we are both car enthusiasts, and we both recently bought cars that we've wanted to have for a while, and we're going to our first car meetup at a wonderful place called Caffeine Machine. Check it out. I might put a link in. But I don't know how to do that just yet, so we'll see. But meeting up with my brother, and he has got a beautiful, and I haven't seen it yet. I haven't actually seen it in the flesh, so this should be interesting. But he's got a beautiful Jaguar XKR 5-litre V8, and I'm pretty damn excited to see this. Because since we were young, we've talked about owning our cars. He's obviously seen my Z4. He's been in it. We've ragged it back at the family house, and we're going to give these cars a little bit of a run around. But also meet some other car owners, take you on this journey, and hopefully you really enjoy what you see. But yeah, welcome. Let's make it a good one, guys. Let's make it a good one. Thank you. So guys, we're just in a little blast over the A40. We are 1 minute away and we're about to see my brother's 5-litre V8 XKR for the first time. Exciting stuff.